alright parking this one, isn't it?
I moan at you being parked.
I thought so. I need to go there, don't I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Cheers, buddy.
Yeah, that's cool. Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and I'm thinking it's lunchtime, so let's go to the Krazy Horse for a spot of lunch. Let's fast forward this. And here we are. The only thing now is to find somewhere to park up. And I don't think I'm allowed to park in... Am I allowed to park there? I think I can park here, can't I? Not too sure if I'm allowed to park here or not actually. Yeah, I can park in this one, can't I? I could be wrong. Hopefully I'm not wrong. I think I'm alright though. I think I'm alright parking here. It's alright parking this one, isn't it?
I moan at you being parked.
I thought so. I need to go there, don't I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Cheers, buddy.
Yeah, that's cool. Right. Let's go get something to eat. It's very posh.
It's been a while since you were here, is it?
Oh, not that long. I think last time I was here was Italian night because I had my RSV.
Well, we had our first late night last night, so...
oh yeah, first Thursday, innit? Yeah.
So we're now up and rolling again, first Thursday for the next 6 months.
Oh, Roger. Ooh. Let's have a walk round. Let's have a look, see what they got. Got some nice motorcycles. I'll tell you what, we'll come back down and have a look in a minute, because this calls sign starving Marvin, and I need to feed the machine, so catch you back in a minute. There you go. That's a Krazy Horse. Had my brick breakfast, which is very nice. Got some nice bikes in there. Uber expensive. Obviously do bike repairs as well. One in, one out. Cool. Ooh, scooter. Check out the scooter. Well, before I disappear then, just want to say a big thanks to one of my latest subs who wishes to remain anonymous. He's more famous than Godzilla. He's the man, the myth, the legend. He knows who he is. I'll stick his name down here. Well, his anonymous name, Mr. Anonymous, begins with an S. He knows who he is. Thanks a lot, mate. Cheers for the sub. And I'm going to end that video here. So, if you like the videos, hit that thumbs up. Oh, get the right gear. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscription button. If you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, hit that notification bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out.